SKYT Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So, Skywater Technology, good gains today. I mean, 27% gains, phenomenal. And this is how the chart looks like. Previously, we saw some breaks. I was like at the start looking to take the things higher, but just never saw my rules met here. And then what I'm going to do is just get rid of everything currently. And now this range, it's a very bullish market. I mean, the likelihood of this just making new highs is through the roof. But I will not be engaging in buys unless there is a proper pull down, a double break. And then and only then we're speaking about like a clean double break for me. I mean, other than that, I will continue to keep you updated. I'll put like a little confirmation thing here. Do you know what I'm doing in the meantime? Waiting. If you want to learn the strategy, click the first link in the description. There is a free newsletter.